Hey everyone, happy 4th of July. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a fireworks surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now before we get started drawing our surprise fold, we need to fold our paper. The first thing we want to do is fold it in half like a birthday card. So take your paper and you want to line up the corners here to the corners here. So we're just going to line those up. And then you just want to fold it down. So just give it a nice little press down here. So now we have a little birthday card that we can open up. Next, what I want to do is I'm going to turn my paper this way, and I'm going to open up this flap. So it's kind of like it's waving at you. I want to take these corners here and match them up to these corners here. So just take this, and we're going to line it up. Now, before you do any folding, make sure it's lined up. Once you have those corners lined up, go ahead and press down nice and hard. Now you can open your surprise fold this way, or you can open it this way. It's up to you. Now, to get started on our firework surprise fold, we need to begin by making our firework. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making the top. So to do this, we want to make a nice big triangle shape. So let's start here by making a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to start here and we're going to make a line that's going to come down. So it's like a nice big triangle. Now I'm going to make like a little curve shape to connect this. So we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come across with a curve just to connect. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Starting here, we're going to add like a big smiley face shape to connect it. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and over. And another one right here that's going to go up and over, same shape. Now at the end, I'm going to make some kind of little pointed lines. You can do this however you want to. This is going to be like the little fire at the end that is burning it, getting ready for it to explode. And right here on the little string here, we're just going to add some little lines for some detail. Now, right inside of here, we're going to add a little face. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to add a black dot in here for the pupil. And we'll make another black dot in here for this pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes across. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And you can see I made that kind of at an angle. I'm going to make a little line that comes across. And I'm going to put a couple of lines coming down for some teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to go over. We're going to make them kind of angry looking. And we'll do another. We're going to go down, over, and then up for his eyebrows. Now, the next step is we want to open it up. So I'm going to open up my firework like this. And what I'm going to do the first thing is I'm going to take this line, and I'm going to draw this line up a little bit farther. And I'll do the same thing over here. Now I want to draw this line down a little farther, and we'll do the same thing up here. I can make sure that I'm not going to draw in anything that would be showing when I have this closed. So now what I'm going to do is when I start up here, first thing I want to do is I'm just going to make it look like the firework kind of broke apart. So I'm going to just draw some little zigzag lines that go right across here. Then we'll draw some more zigzag lines over here. Now, inside of here, I want to write Happy 4th of July. So you can write this however you want to. I'm just going to kind of keep this simple and just kind of show you guys an easy way to do this. Now, starting right here, let's make our H. So we're going to make this a little bit smaller. So we're going to make a little line that goes over here. And then I'm going to leave some space. We're going to make a line that's going to come over here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and a line that's going to come down here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and over, and we're going to go up, over, and down. I'm going to make this A really close to here. Some of these letters might be kind of next to them or even behind them. So we'll make a line that's going to go up, over, and down, over and up, over and up. We're going to go across here. Then we'll make a little triangle in the middle. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes down with a curve, and a line that goes down and over. We'll draw a little D inside of here. Do the same thing here. We're going to go down with a curve, go down and over with a little D in here. Then right here, we're going to go down. We're going to go over and down. I'm going to connect this with a V. And we're going to go down, over, and up. Now, I'm going to make a number 4 over here for the 4th. So we'll say happy, then we'll have 4th of July. So to do this, I'm going to make a little line here, and then I'm going to make a line a little bit taller. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to go down, over. I'm going to go down here a little bit. Then we're going to make kind of like a little square shape. The line's going to go down, over, and up. Up here, we're just going to make a little tiny T. So we're going to make kind of like a little plus sign or like a little cross shape. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go down, over, and down. A little curve, and then we'll just kind of draw the inside for a 4th. Right here, we're going to make an oval shape with a smaller oval inside of it. Then right here, we're going to make a line down. Make a line that's going to go over, down, and in. We'll go down, over, and down again. Next, we'll come in, down, and over. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over. And we're going to make a long one that's going to go over, down, and over. We'll make a line that's going to come down and curve up. We're going to go over. And we're just going to curve it back up to here. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up. 2 lines over. And we're going to come down and up again. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, over. We're going to come up, over, up, and then over. And then right here, we'll make 2 little lines. Little V to connect. 2 lines down. And the line's going to go down, over, and up for our 4th of July. Now, once we have this, we want to kind of draw a little bit of detail around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to make some kind of big pointed little lines that just go all the way around here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to try to keep all of these letters inside of here. And we're just going to make these big points right around here. Then, if you wanted to, you can always add like another layer of these around here. And I'm actually going to probably add a few little fireworks right around here. And when I do this, I'm going to do this with my markers. And I'm just going to make some kind of little, kind of pointed, wavy lines that are going to come out here. They're going to be very easy to make. But there you go. There is your drawing of a 4th of July surprise fold. So when you close it up, you have your little firework. And then when you open it, you've got a big happy 4th of July design in there. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.